Welcome to this demo of TBO Bundled Insights by the Blue Owl Solutions. Bundled Insights enables you to deploy a complete production-grade analytics pipeline from ingestion to insights on Microsoft Fabric in just 4 steps. The platform automatically connects to your client's core systems, syncs data into a Fabric lakehouse, and provisions cross-domain dashboards powered by a unified data model with minimal configuration. Traditional business intelligence in most organizations faces 3 core challenges. First, data for different business functions, like finance, HR, and operations, reside in separate systems, making it difficult to gain a complete real-time view. Second, reporting is often a manual, time-consuming process. Teams spend hours exporting, cleaning, and stitching data just to produce basic insights. And finally, typical business intelligence projects take 6 to 8 weeks to implement and require significant investment, both in money and manpower. It's slow, it's fragmented, and it often fails to deliver timely value. This is where TBO Bundled Insights can help by giving you a repeatable, value-driven analytics foundation you can deploy directly in your client's tenant. Our platform offers industry-specific bundles that support standard data systems for each function, such as Xero for finance and Employment Hero for HR. Once deployed, you get automated data ingestion and transformation pipelines into Fabric, a pre-modeled unified semantic layer tailored for business domains, pre-built dashboards that provide actionable cross-system insights, and our TBO Insights Copilot, a conversational layer that allows anyone to dive deep into the data with no technical skills required. This transforms the time required to set up business intelligence from weeks to only a couple of hours. Now with that introduction in place, let's get into how you can set up your first insight bundle. Welcome to our platform's dashboard. This is what you will see once you log in with your Microsoft account. It gives you the overview of your current and in-progress insight bundles. To view all the bundles deployed so far, you can click on the Insight Bundles tab in the sidebar. This view allows you to look through all your existing bundles. To create a new Insight bundle, first write a name for it in the text box and click on Create. This will start the bundle deployment process and take you to the bundle creation wizard. First, we need to select the suitable industry for our organization. Along with the standard finance and HR bundle, we have tailor-made bundles for different industries, each of which provides support for additional systems. Once the industry is selected, you can then select the bundle plan you need, along with the Azure subscription you want to use and the location for your data storage. We offer 3 plans, namely Standard Plan, which suits any organization looking for insights in their finance and HR operations, Advanced Plan, which along with finance and HR adds additional systems specific to the industry selected, and Custom Plan, which is suited for organizations looking for a more custom solution for their analytics. Once you have made the required selections, click on Start Deployment. This will start the process of creating the resources for your data architecture, namely a Microsoft Fabric capacity, along with a workspace and a lakehouse to sync and store your data. After this, you will be redirected to the Configuring Data Sources screen. Since we have selected the standard plan, we will be authorizing Xero and Employment Hero. For Xero, we need the credentials for a custom connection. This can be done from the Xero Developer Portal. A more detailed guide can be found in our docs and on the Xero platform as well. For Employment Hero, you simply need the access to an admin account for the platform. Once we click on Authorize Employment Hero, we are taken to its login page. Click on Allow to allow Bundled Insights to access your data. Once we are redirected to our platform, we can then click Next to get to the final step. This screen has all the details of your Insight bundle. To finish, simply click on Start Deployment. This can take 15 to 30 minutes and depends on the size of your data. Once the deployment is complete, you will have access to the Insight reports and the TBO Insights Copilot. For the standard bundle, we have 4 pre-built Insights reports: Key Insights Report, Executive Financial Overview, Expense and Procurement Analysis, Employee Overview, and Payroll. Let's explore them one by one. Clicking on a report will take you to the Power BI report in your Fabric workspace. The Key Insights report gives us a bird's-eye view of both the HR and finance functions. It gives us metrics like the revenue trends, revenue versus employee count, payroll as a percentage of revenue, revenue per active employee, and more. This is our Executive Financial Overview report. This report dives deeper into the finance operations. It answers questions like how many invoices are due beyond 90 days, the expenses during that period, and how much of the total revenue we have received, and how much is still pending, giving an organization a snapshot of its cash flow. The Expense and Procurement Analysis report provides insights into the supplier side of the finances, showing you the average purchase order value, the item most ordered by the organization, and our most used suppliers. Finally, the Employee Overview and Payroll report dives into the HR side of the business. Here we can see the spread of our workforce by location and job title, the average tenure of our employees to indicate churn, and the salary distribution across job roles. All the data in each of the reports is live and pulled from the source systems. Let's start with a simple query. Show me the last 10 invoices. The Copilot will understand your query and fetch the relevant data to answer it. As you can see, it has fetched us the invoices along with a summary. The tables fetched can also be further analyzed by searching through the rows, sorting the columns. We also have the options to apply robust filters on the fetched dataset. Beyond just fetching data, our Copilot can also directly get insights from it. Let's try asking, what does my financial health look like? As you can see, it has run multiple queries, going through our invoices, payments, credit notes, and given us a detailed analysis of the financial health of our organization. TBO Bundled Insights empowers you to deliver Fabric native analytics pipelines that deliver instant insights in just hours, not weeks. Fully managed, customizable, and easy to replicate across clients. If you'd like to integrate TBO Bundled Insights into your managed offerings, reach out to us at info@theblueowls.com or visit theblueowls.com to schedule a call. Let's help your customers go from raw data to actionable insight at scale.